Hi, this is Katie Bomberger again. Sorry about that. It cut me off on Screencast-O-Matic. This is the final slide in my introduction to PenPals, the collaborative tool. The last thing I want to say is how I would use this in my classroom. So specifically, I was thinking about an ELA lesson. I've listed 3 standards there that I could use this for, but it would definitely cover more than that. Every year I teach a unit on Greek mythology, and I have a collection of Greek myths, and I usually do a jigsaw model and have each group read a different myth, and then they go through a series of questions and discussions. They determine the theme, analyze characters, and then they learn the meaning of different figurative language that's derived from each myth. So, for example, Herculean effort, opening Pandora's box, the Midas touch, what it means to go on an odyssey. This could be a valuable tool to increase the collaboration, not just from my class, but across countries and cultures. They could use this tool just once a week for, like it said, 5 to 6 weeks. Improve their writing skills, improve their digital citizenship. They create a project at the end using a variety of online tools. So not only would they be collaborating in class with my normal project that I do, but it would go outside of that, and here then they're being exposed to different cultures, myths, and they could discuss them and their meanings. There's more opportunity for reflection, relationship building, and options to choose their own final projects. And lastly, Rice states on page 112 that reflective activities can be used to facilitate community building if they are made public. And I feel that that's one thing that this PenPals tool does really well. They can reflect on their learning and comment and discuss about that with others. I hope to use this tool in my classroom in order to build a stronger sense of community, not just in my classroom, but beyond. And I hope you've learned a little about PenPals, the online collaborative tool, and you might look to use it in the future.